Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Today is another video with my Raynox DCR-250 and today we are only going to target insects. So let's get started.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into Maharashtra Nature Park, which has so many trees, plants, flowers, birds and of course insects, and today's challenge is to only click insects with my Raynox DCR-250. For that I have attached my Raynox to my 7300mm kit lens and I will use my flash. It will be off camera, on camera, both instances, and I will mention the settings with each image so you don't need to worry. My aperture will be high, around f10, f16, that also I will mention with each image. Shutter speed can be around 1/100 as I will be shooting with my flash, and ISO also I can keep less since I am using my flash. ISO of 100 or to 160 is fine. Matrix metering with auto white balance. So with these settings, let's start clicking.
I found this shiny jewel bug on this plant. Let's go close and click it. These lantana attract a lot of butterflies. Let me see if anyone is willing to pose for me. Another common castor butterfly ready to pose. And I found another beauty in the lantanas, a small praying mantis. Ants, you can find them in plenty on tree barks. This is the host plant for the Tony coaster butterfly. So we have many caterpillars here. This one is in bright sunlight. There is no need to use flash here also. Let's end it with another jewel bug photo.
So guys, it was a lot of fun clicking insects with my Raynox DCR-250, and the real challenge that I find with insects is to find them, and when you do find them, trying to compose the shot in such a way that you make a story, and I hope I did my best. In case you liked my video guys, give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Raynox tutorial. Please to check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.